Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Restoring your Yahoo Mail account is a simple process that you can finish in just a few minutes. Many people lose access because they forgot their password or had their account locked for security reasons. To start the recovery, go to the official Yahoo login page on your computer or mobile device. Enter your email address and click the link that says Forgot Password. Yahoo will then ask you to verify your identity using a recovery method. This is usually a cell phone number or an alternate email address you linked to the account earlier. Check your phone for a text message or look in your other inbox for a verification code. Type this code into the box on the Yahoo screen to prove you own the account. Once the system accepts the code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before to keep your data safe. If your account was deactivated due to inactivity, simply logging in with the correct credentials often restores it immediately. However, accounts inactive for more than a year may be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. If you still cannot get in, visit the Yahoo Help Central page and use the Sign In Helper tool for more options. Make sure to update your recovery information once you regain access. This ensures you can get back in easily if you ever lose your password again. Check your security settings to see if any unauthorized changes were made while you were locked out. Always keep your recovery phone number current for the best protection.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.